We already got the char griller rolling, and let's get a peek. We got the legacy rolling. Oh yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 good leg quarters going, and as you can see, they are seasoned differently. And we're just checking these bad boys out. Oh yeah, we got a little color going on. That's looking good. That's looking even better. That's looking amazing. And in a minute, when I'm done flipping these, I'm gonna let y'all know, let y'all check out what I seasoned them with, how I got them together, and of course, you know how I got this pit running. Okay, so for the first set, I got seasoned with the Kinder's Margarita with tequila, agave, and lime. This stuff tastes real good. I'm gonna be pairing that when I get ready to sauce them. When we go back out there to the pit, I'm gonna be saucing it with this Signature Select Habanero Lime Tequila BBQ sauce. As you can see, tequila, yeah. And if you haven't noticed, I went on ahead and pulled the skin back on these leg quarters because I'm so excited to finally get a good batch of leg quarters. And this is what I like to do with my thighs, even my legs. I like to pull the skin back and then season the meat. That way you know you got seasoning in the meat. And if it's a little like that, just pull that bad boy and sprinkle a little bit down in there. You know, she don't mind. This is all consensual. So you can go ahead and pull them draws back a little bit and make sure you get in there nice and seasoned. And then we pull the skin back just like that, right? Get a little bit more on there. So that way the seasoning is being trapped in there and staying on the meat. Flip them bad boys over. Season high so you can get a nice even coat. Just like that. Man, this stuff smells good. Real good. Then we flip them back over, let them sit. Just touch that skin up a little bit. For the second set of leg quarters that I got, we rolling with Eddie Wright's Sweet Sharlene. And I had the little shaker and I kept it, but I can't find it. And I ran through that real quick because this is a very good seasoning, and had to get the 16-ounce bag. And I'm starting to realize that may not be enough at all. So we're going to get underneath the skin just like this. Yeah. Brother Eddie Wright. Black Smoke Barbecue. Yeah. And then we just going to pull that back over like that. And I need to wash this hand before I touch this bag again. Yeah, we're going to push that right on in there. We're going to flip these over so we can get that skin. And I'm not saucing these because that's how much I like the seasoning. I don't want to, even though it pairs well with sauces, I'm not saucing these. I'm just going to sauce the ones that with the tequila on there. And I'm going to leave these just with seasoning and smoke because that's what I like. Rub that in, rub that in, rub that in. So you see what I'm rolling with. The Sweet Sharlene, Eddie Wright barbecue, and some of that Kinder's, that Margarita one. Woo! Let's get a little flip going on. Yeah, yeah, some good old leg quarters, boy. I've been waiting patiently to find me a good pack of leg quarters in the stove. And I did. And to be honest, I grabbed the last 2 packs. So that let me know that they were definitely moving and they were popular. So these bad boys is ready. And it's time to sauce the ones that are seasoned with the Kinder's Margarita flavor. And I'm going to sauce it with this Habanero Lime Tequila BBQ sauce by Signature Select. So we just letting them clown right there for a minute. Now let's get the sauce in these bad boys. I figure this sauce will go good with this particular seasoning, just because they both got tequila in it. And it should complement pretty well. We gonna see. Because we know it ain't gonna be nasty. Because I got this good smoke. Got that premium lump from the Good Charcoal Company. And I also threw a handful of pecan chips and some cherry wood chips in here in the beginning. And let that bad boy do his thing. And we gotta sauce up that back part right there. Can't forget the back. Yeah. So we're gonna flip them over. So that sauce can caramelize on there. Yeah. Just like that down. Because we want to do this at least 2 to 3 times. I'm gonna probably do it about 3, just to make sure I got them nice and sauced up, nice glaze. I don't want it too thick on there, so I like to do it a few times. Flip it, let the fire penetrate it up in there, let the smoke. So this is the side I'm gonna put together, little veggie with that chicken. I already drizzled some canola oil in there. And then I'm gonna season it with the Cuban blend from Kinder's, just a little bit. Well, let me shake that up a little bit. There we go. About a good tablespoon of that, tablespoon and a half. And we're gonna rotate this up. Looks like I dropped one. Ah, there it is. Look at that, saved it. We're gonna go ahead and toss this around. Make sure they're nice and evenly coated. And then I'm gonna lay these bad boys on here. Look like I already lost one, but that's cool. It's for the homies. For the homies who couldn't get no asparagus. We all done. That's the Sweet Sharlene leg quarters right there from my man Eddie Wright. To go a few of them sausages. That is the Kinder's Margarita. And it's sauce with the Habanero Lime Tequila BBQ sauce by Signature Select. And then over here, there's a little veggie, a little asparagus that I grilled up with Kinder's the Cuban blend. Yeah. So it's going to be some good eating. All right. So went on ahead and just put together a little plate there. Got Sweet Sharlene thigh, asparagus, just a little empanada my wife made. She just took it out. It's hot. So, and this is the tequila lime sauce uh, chicken leg with the Margarita Seasoning from Kinder's. And the tequila habanero lime sauce. So I'm gonna try that first. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's on point. You already know. Kill Mill, you ain't the only one battling, buddy. Asparagus. Seasoned with the Kinder's Cuban, the Cuban blend. I just tossed them in a little bit of canola oil. It's on point. On point. Now, let's try that thigh. With that Sweet Sharlene. I don't know what it is about that Sweet Sharlene, boy. It definitely, it just got a, man. To me, it's kind of buttery. And you can go heavy. You could use it with something. Man. That empanada. It's a little more. Got some guava in there. And the filling that she made for my birthday cake. We don't waste nothing up in here. All right, so that about wraps up this cook. Appreciate y'all joining me on this little grill session, smoke session, barbecue session with your boy Keenan from In the Smoke with Keenan. Forget to follow me on all the other social media outlets that I'm on. Instagram, Not All Smoke 78, and TikTok, Not All Smoke. My handle on YouTube is Not All Smoke. All that leads to your boy, like I mentioned before. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, share this video, and of course, subscribe to the channel. And check out my boys over at Black Smoke Barbecue. Yeah, you know what's up. All right, y'all be cool out there, be safe, be smart.